Play fake. Young goes deep middle. He's got Jerry Rice. Touchdown 49ers.
Right now. Congratulations, 49ers. Super Bowl bound.
Rice has just set a Super Bowl record. The game is over. San Francisco has won Super Bowl 23. Jerry Rice. And also an open up.
Oh, man!
Here it is.
Got the bounce.
Has made for the Nolan loyal Bay Area fans. NBA champions.
YouTube, what is up? I am your guy Rez, and we are back again with another video for y'all. This is another segment of Welcome to the Bay. This is volume 10. Yes, sir. And I am so excited to share with you guys this pickup that I'm about to share with you guys. But before I jump into this item I'm about to share with you guys, I just gotta say, shout outs to my dubs, Dubnation, Warriors fans. Pray for Clay. If you guys are a Warriors fan, if you are an NBA enthusiast, you already know. If you haven't heard the news by now, Thompson is out for the upcoming NBA season that is just days away due to an Achilles injury. That really sucks. It is an injury that is nothing to scoff at. And, you know, I wish Clay a successful recovery, a full recovery, and to come back strong. Very heartbreaking for Warriors fans, especially myself, as you already know. From top to bottom, I rep my dubs all day, every day. But, of course, with all that said, get that negativity out of here because I'm so excited to share with you guys this particular item that I just got. So, shout outs to the brand Collect Select, formerly known as Trill Establishment. They specialize in a lot of basketball hoop shorts, and they just do some really amazing work with their shorts. You know what's crazy is that shorts have just kind of been a thing as of late. You know, I don't know where this craze started with these shorts coming out with sublimated and crazy designs, but I see a lot of ballers wearing them. You know, I see a lot of rappers, public figures, and celebrities and all this stuff wearing designer shorts and shorts. So I don't know where this craze came from, but regardless, I'm starting to get into it because I've noticed that, you know, I got one pair of shorts, and then next thing you know, my one pair became 5 pairs, and then my 5 pairs became 10, and I'm almost getting close to like 20 pairs of shorts. That's crazy to me. I don't know where this craze came from, but it's working because obviously I've been getting into shorts without even me knowing. So that's kind of scary for my pockets. But aside from all of that, I wanted to share with you guys this dope pickup right here. Bam, you already know, Dubnation, what is good? Boom. These right here are the Sura version 2 Golden State Warriors hoop shorts right here, made by the brand Collect Select, and my god, they killed it with this one. This has been a pair of shorts that I have been eyeing since I first heard of the brand. But let me give you guys a better look of these shorts right here. These shorts are straight fire, man. I mean, you have a super reminiscent old school look right here of that Thunderbolt from the Golden State Warriors from like the early 2000s up until late 2000s era right there. But, you know, this is a super dope pair of shorts. I don't do too many reviews on my shorts because I never really had that many, but I do have a couple of now that I'm probably going to be sharing maybe later down the road. I know it's kind of weird for me to share this right now because of the season. You know, it's not really short season because it's really cold outside out here in Cali, and I'm sure in other parts of the world it's probably snowing, but nonetheless, if you're hooping, ball is life, you're gonna be rocking these probably 24/7. I'm sure you will, because I've already wore these a couple of times. Let me go into detail with these shorts and just show you how awesome the quality is on this. So to start things off, this is actually another version of the previous Sura shorts that they made in the past. They made a few upgrades from what I understand. The design on the version 1 had one thunderbolt right there on the side, just like the Warriors uniforms back in the 2000s era, but they decided to do it on both sides, and I honestly dig it on both sides. I think that's a really hot look, super dope. The waistband right here, where you know, it's got some stretch to it. I noticed it's not as stretchable as the other Swingman shorts that they have released in the past, but it is still got some stretch to it. But you know, I like it because they actually took the new inspired Warriors jerseys that are coming very soon, which reminds me, I gotta get my hands on those new Oakland jerseys that they're gonna be dropping real soon. That whole style right there of that upcoming uniform that the Warriors are going to be donning for the next season. So I'm really stoked for that. You have these nice little trims right here on the bottom portion of the shorts with that like orange, yellow, and navy blue, which is like the traditional we believe, you know, with the whole like Antoine Jameson, Gilbert Arenas, Jay Rich, Bob Sura era right there. You feel me? And of course, you know, this seems to be like a trend now. You know, you have these oversized drawstrings. I don't know why they do that. That's just kind of the fashion of it. I kind of dig it. I like it, you know. But yeah, you know, you can definitely adjust them by pulling them however you want it to fit your waist. On the back, there is no design. You just have the navy blue right there. But like I said, these shorts are extremely comfy. If you guys are wondering how the sizing works, I'm gonna put right here side by side of the size to kind of give you an idea. To my knowledge, based on my experiences wearing the shorts, they tend to run really large. What I mean is they have a lot of stretch. So if you like your shorts to be really long, I think you probably might want to go a size up from what you normally wear. If you want your shorts to be above the knees, I would say definitely go a size lower than what you typically wear. You know, all my other previous shorts that I've owned by this brand are size medium, and they fit me pretty well. And I'm a pretty big dude, but for these, I went up a size. I went up to a size large, and they still look pretty good. Because the reason why I went up a size was because I was kind of concerned about the waistband. Because looking at the waistband, I knew that these waistbands don't have as much stretch as the older Swingman versions and previous versions that they did with their other shorts models. Nonetheless, I think I could do good with a large just going forward, you know what I'm saying? Because the mediums fit me well. They fit me good. I could wear the mediums, but something about the large, just it really just compliments me. It feels a little more relaxed fit for me. And of course, you want to be comfortable when you wear your clothes. So I think I'm going to start going for a large. These shorts also come with a zipper adjustable right there for pockets, so that's always a plus. I know a lot of authentic shorts don't have any pockets, which doesn't really make any sense. It's not very practical if you're wearing them casually, if you're going out and, you know, you're trying to put your wallet or coins or whatever change you got in there. You can't do that with the authentic shorts. These you can. So I always thought that was pretty weird with the authentic shorts, but nonetheless, these do have pockets on both sides with that adjustable zipper right there. And you know, just overall, I am very stoked to have this pair of shorts. The shorts on the bottom left portion as well also come with the Collect Select branding, as you can see right there, with that navy blue, red, and white. Inside the shorts, you have that print of the Collect Select large 100% polyester, made in Pakistan, designed in Oakland. And the instructions say to machine wash cold, tumble dry low. I typically just hand wash my Swingman shorts like this, and I hang dry them once they're done, because I don't really want to mess up the design or anything. I think you'll be fine if you put it in a gentle cycle, but that's how I wash my shorts. And I'm very happy that I got this pair of shorts in my collection, because they actually sold out super quick. These dropped at noon here in Pacific Standard Time, and it was like 12:03, and by the time I checked out at like 12:03, 12:04, I went back on the site and they were sold out in my size. So I'm glad that I got these just in time for Warriors opening night, when the Warriors are gonna debut in this upcoming season. I am super stoked to finally see my Warriors play, even though I'm not gonna physically be there at Chase Center. Just to see the Warriors back in the NBA playing, there is finally some normalcy in this world, because that whole bubble season, I wasn't feeling it. I was not feeling it. Anyways, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that look of me modeling these shorts for y'all. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have, you already know. God bless. Thank y'all so much. Leave a like, comment on the video, share the video, all that good stuff. And until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving and happy holidays. And I'll see y'all on the next one. I am out.